Then we should go.
It was for with a quick breaking news. I'm Pesami from Bremo. We breaking news into a developing story. It is a me boy, just a me power posted and so on so boy. And media, said, I did be a receiver from Bremo. You see, Ya-Na, Dagbon Ra, up north. Right, just a few minutes ago, he has sacked the delegation from Ministry of Energy. Ministry of Energy, someone say, John Jinapor, and Minister of Energy, and it's a delegation from Ministry of Energy, AYEKA, Ya-Na, John Jinapor, Nebedini. And assembly a day, Mbekaya, about April, February, Muhonum, and assembly by say, energy minister allegedly, waka say, Tamale for be 50% na or more electricity. They say, Tamale, Oko Tamale Honum, the illegal connections in Kwana and Kofo Aya Tamale, Ewo Honum. Assembly na Anya Tamale for the cra, and apparently, no. It has also gotten to Ya-Na, the overlord of Dagbon, Ewo Honum. Second thing, you say, you see, when you allegations though, NEDco for boss, NEDco means a northern part of Ghana, or more energy distribution company. Your friend on NEDco, they say, starting for your friend ECG, no, or more NEDco. You see, NEDco for or boss, John Mahamani, friend say, John Jinapor, or more appointing. Almost say, he said, dear, ni behavior, any easy cry, easy on boo, beer, on bushy, or casanco for anyhow. And to when you know, or he know what it, Naswati, and not now, boko, our train. But apparently, no per video, surface here or social media, say, I make a some children. Yes, see, the overlord allegedly has been heard saying, say, NDC for no, sana omutie, omunya 2 million, and say, omunya 2 million, omuni crofo kasa anyhow, no mu pena omuye. Na, me na me fi say, see goodwill on there. Say na NDC for enjoy goodwill. If you say, 4 years, na NDC for enjoy goodwill. But the way these days, now say goodwill, a content, tem there. Oma show you now by September, now will be able to say a mere demonstration. But on the surface, you see, who person a politician now? One thing I saw will take it very, very serious. Communication skills. Yes, when you are in opposition there, you can afford to say anything. But the moment you become Minister of State, everything you say, people will pay critical attention to it. Me say, more NDC, because when you listen to them, even right now, as they are in power, when they talk, when they communicate, you can't make any difference between party in opposition and party in government. You can't. When they speak, it still looks as though they are in opposition. Meanwhile, utie na basintalemu sami jemfemu fosukwache Sam George mu sena omu even citizens ask them questions, how they reply the citizens. It shows that they don't know how to communicate.
Then we should go.
Omunim, Omajumu in as more opposition still. And the way breaking news are every up north, Dagbon. see Ya-Na wapam don Jinapor any ni entourage ya and to say the sana abeba for I also ask some journalists are beginning to wake up and no we na me share Spice FM ma me bi young lady bi who say na okasa no Otemi say nkofo bebre omanu omu say omu ye campaign ma NDC kwen no there is happening to everybody and ne wo there ochina ebe ye wo nua there and say ma obi an complain ke na ye shem bi nia mi de beba ebi akra mi de aba ewi because say the electricity board no ye tua sa but someone see in the next one. Bye bye.
Ebra MPP for 2 kokomu to 3,100 no. Tachama and Pro, we still have record here. Ye program ye record it. Mo behe meni wa bin ye ni bra wa ha ni ye kebi. Emma ekuafo a se ye sisie. Ye ni bra na inti we no sa energy no na me de kire mu o. We nya politics asem form asem to nchen. Nya dia mo kana mitie. Debi. Enya mo masem kura. The energy I no be dako. Obeshe ofia no mo yese MPP aban sisi ekuafo na. There are some people in this country and what's a usisi no. 1, aye disables. 2, aye kuyeni 1 kwa ye nyina ye bebuada. Ansana ekunafo. But these are the 3 people abanu po die. Yobo mo die. Enti sa energy na no na pay. Wa hinu wa midi jinam. Ewa ha. Ti mo beye ena mo fama sem. Dia na me kan say. Wey internet fiti ase na me bo voice no. Man ka sem bia no. Me gi evidence and sana me ba ho. Ato force nara nanum ton e kire mu me yati koko price die kuani awase wonya nunti MPP aban SCC eye kuafo mo ba ye no so mo ankasa mo ma yati ase Agric Minister Eriko Poku any finance minister ato forcing mo amanu munsem ena mo se afidie ekuafo wo manya kora no aye 6,000 inti ekuafo po dia show mutim se mo so mantumi anya kora no 5,000 per cocoa bag yati ye baby yenka bi shemu wo mampani kopie mu ewo sehwi wase wo hwe kuafo bra wo mu a eni emu 70% world market price eni ye de be mamuo wonu ananu masem ene mo kwatena ase board no kwatena ase a randia ben sam kra wo kaka wa chire no wonne de meba so se AYÄKA no mo kwoto ho no na MPP aban no eto almost 2,000 tons of cocoa beer ese wamaji husika wamafa cocoa nanko enti kada ho wo so mu chia eja wajo na enunti nti sa sika na moti akotua na ananya sa World Bank o ma musika bim o da mto aso enunti mua na mokokan ese 70% for a cocoa farmer 70% for your pockets. Now, Kofobi can say, okay, 70%, and Kofo say 70,000. Hey, please save that stress too. Yes, stress, and I'm more stressing. Now, we have the voice, 70%. Nana Maker said, 1 bag of cocoa, which is the 60 kg, no. Unya baku du 10 and 1 ton of cocoa.